Something you may don't know. How can you transfer your architectural 2D plan from ZWCAD to ARCHLine.XP for advanced BIM modeling with one click using the ZWCAD plugin? And how to move the partial or full 3D model from ARCHLine.XP to ZWCAD for sharing with other disciplines. Check this video. You can download both software from www.archlinexp.com.gr. Check it out. When you install the free plugin to ZWCAD Pro, you enjoy a brand new BIM option at the menu. From there, you can easily import and export the current drawing from the one software to the other. Just have both software running, click at the menu option, and in a few moments, the drawing will be shown ready for you to continue your task. And don't forget to ask for the special price when you buy both software as a bundle from us. When downloading ARCHLine.XP software, choose EASYCAD as your dealer to enjoy our after-sales support.